Deforestation! Stop deforestation! It's an open letter today. It's David Novak, CEO of Young Brands, parent company of KFC. According to Greenpeace, you're using rainforest material in your fast food packaging. Since rainforests are essential to this planet's long-term health, your company is contributing to the acceleration of deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, animal extinction and displacement of indigenous people. To date, your company has refused to meet or even respond to repeated requests from Greenpeace, the OOWWAA, and the Dogwood Alliance to sit down and lay the framework for a sustainable business model. A disappointing response, and one that does not reflect a company led by a CEO with a reputation of outstanding corporate leadership. So, Mr. Novak, I would ask you to stop buying packaging from any supplier that is not certified by the Forest Stewardship Council, and to demonstrate a fair commitment to our environment by meeting with an environmental NGO, and use your brand to force the good by adopting a zero deforestation policy across your entire supply chain. So people of Sacramento and those watching via the internet, please join me by boycotting KFC until they take the necessary steps to protect this beautiful planet we each call home for our children and their children's children 100, 500 and 1,000 years from now. Thank you.
For more Jungle Bear, please visit junglebear.org.